Hey there, Eric again from DET Practice. Today we are tackling a read then speak question. This type tests your ability to understand a topic quickly and speak about it fluently for up to 90 seconds. Our question is, describe the various methods people use to travel to their workplaces. What are common ways to commute? How do commutes vary by location? Let's analyze our focus, using common vocabulary for commuting and strategies to improve fluency. For vocabulary, think beyond just car or bus. You can use terms like public transit, subway, ride-sharing, carpooling, or even telecommuting for those who work from home. Mentioning concepts like rush hour or traffic congestion will also boost your score. For fluency, we'll use a simple structure. State your main point, provide supporting details, and then summarize. This organization keeps your response clear and coherent. For this specific question type, you get 20 seconds to prepare after reading the prompt. Use this time to identify the key parts of the question. In this case, methods, common ways, and location differences. Quickly brainstorm a few keywords for each part. When you start speaking, introduce the topic, then address each question one by one. For example, start with common methods, then explain how they differ in urban versus rural areas. Using transition words like in big cities or in contrast for people in suburbs will make your speech flow naturally. Try to speak for the full 90 seconds to show your proficiency. Before we reveal a sample answer, pause this video and try it yourself. You have 20 seconds to prepare and up to 90 seconds to speak. Welcome back. Here is a high-scoring sample answer. People use a wide variety of methods to commute to work, largely depending on where they live. The most common ways to travel include driving personal cars, using public transit like buses and subways, and cycling. In densely populated urban areas, public transportation is extremely popular because it helps people avoid traffic congestion and the high cost of parking. Many city dwellers also walk or bike to work if they live close enough. In contrast, people in suburban or rural areas often rely on personal cars because distances are greater and public transit options are less available. Carpooling is also a common strategy in these areas to save on fuel costs. Recently, ride-sharing services have become a popular alternative everywhere, while telecommuting, or working from home, has eliminated the daily commute for many professionals. That's all for today's practice. If you'd like more speaking exercises, log in to detpractice.com now and claim your 3-day free VIP trial.